Meaning of disavow.
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 Disavow. Disavow means to deny any association or responsibility with something or someone. It is the act of publicly stating that one has no connection or knowledge of a particular action, statement, or entity. When someone disavows something, they are essentially separating themselves from it in order to avoid being associated with any negative consequences or backlash that may arise from it. This can be done for various reasons such as protecting one's reputation, avoiding legal repercussions, or distancing oneself from controversial or unpopular opinions or actions.